What is up YouTube, it's Combo Chain. Today we're going to be checking out this new keyboard I got. It's called the aight Pro 2, and basically what's so special about it is it has Cherry MX Blue switches, which if you don't know, these switches are super clicky and they sound super nice. So I decided to record a video with it. It's not going to be totally ASMR, like keyboard and mouse sounds type, because I know those videos are oversaturated, repetitive, and honestly kind of boring. I can't even sit through one, so I'm going to be doing a little bit of a commentary, but I'm not going to talk too much so you guys can hear the keyboard. Maybe? Maybe? The dream? Oh, dream! Oh, sorry. Wrong game. That's Manhunt, guys. Now you guys should know how I play this. I already made a whole video on it. You know, you kill your first rush, get some diamond upgrades, get emeralds, and then you're set to win the game. I mean, I've been doing this for like forever in all of my videos. So you guys know how it is, but if you're new here, I definitely recommend trying the strategy. I actually have a video on it that explains it a little bit more. It's called How to Win at Bedwars. It explains pretty much like the whole like game plan for winning a solo game, and that was terrible by Blue. Get it? You're terrible. Oh, way to block me off, man. Way to get it. Nice! Way to get around the blocks like that. Oh, he's got the YT in his name. Guys, you will never see me putting YT in my name, because that's stupid, and I hate when people do that, especially when they're terrible like this guy. He's on 7 HP currently. Despite there being a whole nother lobby. And he's dead, just like that. I did actually miss my hotkey, so kind of lucky there, but it's fine. We're better still. And now he has great to deal with. See, guys, this is why you don't just hard target someone for the entire game, because then you get double teamed. I really just want a team here. Oh, Blue. Oh my god! This guy is so bad, bro. What? That's crazy. And just like that, we clean them up, guys. Stop like hard targeting people, bro. This is what happens. Pop in the pot, man. Fireball. I'm gonna stop saying fireball. Okay, we should have this here. Please be the. Alright, oh, and he left. GG's. Easy win. Alright, guys, we're in the second game here. If you guys want to get this keyboard, I'd recommend it. It's pretty good for Minecraft. The switches are fairly fast. Cherries tend to be pretty high quality, but it is a little bit expensive. I think it's like $80. It's not too much, but if you're doing YouTube, it's a recommended buy because it sounds pretty nice for videos and stuff. But definitely not my main keyboard because it's not quite as fast as my main, and yeah, I don't know, my main does sound pretty good, so I'm just gonna stick with that. Should have the kill on gray here, yep. GG's there. He threw all of his stuff out, but we still got it. But, I don't know, it's just like... Please don't avoid the M's. Please don't avoid the M's. Thank you. Next up is Blue here. We're just gonna pot up just in case, because this is how you play Bedwars in 2025. And we're gonna get the easy win because we're way more stacked and this game is stupid. Oh, watch this, ready? What? Ah, there we go. I don't know why you just didn't move the first time. That's crazy. Should be a pretty free bed. Maybe I can get in on this one. If I fireball, you know, if I could have, but now I can't. Actually, he's letting me. He bought a blindness trap. Are you serious, bro? And he has a... Like, he ender chested a KB stick and then bought a blindness trap. Like, what are these guys doing, bro? Just give it up, man. Please tell me we can get the kill here. No, we can't. Bro, how is he so stacked? Like, I don't understand that. He's asking me if I'm trying, and the answer is yes. I want to win this game. I am indeed trying. Apparently he's not. He's playing Bedwars to not try. I hate when people ask that question. It's such a stupid question. Are you trying? You're playing a game. If If you don't know, when that message shows up, that means they typed something that Hypixel like chat bans, so that means he typed easy probably. That's usually what it is. We're gonna pot up. Nothing you can really do about this. He potted himself. Yeah, he did. No, he didn't. I lied. Alright, the plan is, we're not gonna be able to reach him with our invis, but we are just gonna be able to get into a hiding spot. We have 15 seconds. So I think we can hide right at diamonds, actually. Or, you know what? I'm just gonna go for him. I think I have enough seconds to catch him by surprise. Yeah, it's just over. Like, he's just talking so much, guys. Like, this is why you don't just talk. And apparently I'm a noob now. Before I was a really sweaty player that was trying, and now I'm a noob. But GG's anyway. Don't really care. Like, if people are chatting like that, you really shouldn't give them any respect and chat back and stuff. Alright guys, we're in the last game of the video on aight here. This is a pretty good map. I really like this one. It's like medium size, so you know, you don't get sandwiched too often. It's just a really chill map. It's not very sweaty at all. Actually, I stand corrected. This guy is not putting down bed defense and rushing on 48 or 6, and he fell. I lied, this map is super not sweaty. If you guys can't tell by my voice, I'm on tilt right now. Like, I'm just having a terrible time playing Bedwars. And yellow left, GG's. But I'm having a terrible time playing Bedwars. Just a lot of luck-based things happening. A lot of huge sweats just targeting me, and it just hasn't been a lot of fun. But we're still gonna make the video, we're still gonna get it out. I'm just doing the best I can to win games, playing safe, playing smart, everything like that. Okay, white has a ton of M's because he's gay and bought a KB stick and knocked me off the void when I didn't have enough blocks to get back, even though he's terrible, and now he's stacked out of his mind. Not a great spot, not a great spot at all. And pink is mid, so we are the weakest player in the lobby right now. Actually begging pink to get white's bed here, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Seems to know a little bit about what he's doing, and he has tons of M's, and likes KB sticks, which is really good for me. He doesn't have a trap, okay. And you're in the void, and he has a pearl. Die. Bro. Are you gotta be joking me. You gotta be joking me. There's no way. How do you hit that pearl? A, how do you hit that pearl? That is the luckiest pearl I've ever seen with my own 2 eyes. And B, like, how does that pearl land before you fall in the void? This is just, this game is not real, bro. Like, we're gonna pot up again. I think he knows, maybe. No, he doesn't. Please, just die. You don't have another pearl. GG's, good game. Holy, thank God, bro. I am done with Bedwars. I am not playing a single more minute of Bedwars today, but thank you guys for watching. Got some decent wins. Got to show you this keyboard. It sounds really nice. Enough yapping. Please subscribe, and see you in the next one.